Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Ferrari LaFerrari in Forza Horizon 5 updated. Start by unlocking the Hot Wheels expansion and completing the required accolades, then farm festival playlist rewards and wheel spins. Focus on PR stunts that award car tokens and grind redo events during double reward weeks. Use skill chains and tune a high-performance car to improve your chances of winning auctions and seasonal prize cars. Begin by confirming the Hot Wheels expansion is installed and active on your account. Track the accolades that list the LaFerrari or related prize cars and prioritize those targets. Rotate through festival playlist events daily to claim rewards and wheel spins that can net car prizes. Check the auction house consistently for bargains and be ready to bid with banked credits when a LaFerrari appears. Focus your sessions on activities that yield the highest token and wheel spin rates, like PR stunts and championship events. Use a tuned car with strong handling and acceleration to complete objectives cleanly and avoid wasted runs that cost time. Join a friend or a club to coordinate events and finish seasonal tasks more quickly, which keeps progression steady toward unlocking the LaFerrari.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.